So anytime I want to use it, when I load it, and if there's nothing inside, they will go and rest now until I come back from work.
Or you be putting it on flight. You want to receive call now. You put it on. You off your data. What smart then?
So God do
And it's good. It's good for them to be tech like that at early stage.
Abi.
And if we have those opportunities, putting it on flight,
But when we don't get them
things for not dey difficult like this. Most of us
like this, honest.
for don't jackpot it say before everything come dey worse.
Was yes. Very right.
To even travel now sef, the money they will call for you sef, you sef will say where you will get those ones.
I say self, even if I get that kind of money now, if I get that kind of money, I don't go think of traveling. I don't go lie you.
You don't see this.
Just dash person
You don't see the statistics. I dey see you. I saw UK, 40 million oh,
40 million.
50 million. I say kill ele. Wetin be this one? Dey do kabu kabu work. Dey
Yeah,
do one
so
kind
can you imagine?
jama
You
jama.
start from the beginning.
if
Jama jama here.
if get don say if he send you come back,
Yes, sure. With your 40 million don't go.
I dey
Lord
tell you,
imagine.
you don go. So I was explaining this program when it runs how to edit this part.
Okay.
I said
Okay,
this
share your
thing.
screen. I can't see.
Okay. So I was saying that you see this cost now. I've added $1 to it. You can configure your header based on what you want. But you see this value here. You cannot add. You know, this one now is this integer
Six.
or a float. This is a float. You
Yes.
can't begin to make it a string. If you try to make it a string, to flag error. Right. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say I want to adjust another header. Let's say the remark. I want to turn
Mm-hmm.
this remark to this is remark here. I want to turn it to um, uh, message. Turn remark to message. So I'll come to these headings. Instead of remark here, I'll turn it to message. Just like you are binding it. I'll bind it.
Okay.
Then the write up I want to appear. This is the text now, which is going to be what message. So if you run it again, all good and fine. The remark will be turned to what to message.
Let's see.
So you can edit things like this. Yeah, this one that is popping out is giving you the value immediately. You bring it out. These are not a dictionary.
Yes, we did.
This is a dictionary. So this item A is a key accessing this value. This one is a key accessing this value. This is a key accessing this value.
Value.
If I can change this one here, I can try to say, oh, put this one inside a quote. Yeah, this should work for me. So I think that's A. This is working for me. So
Mm.
there's no problem about that. But the only place where you have problem is when you want to multiply. Look at it. Let me go back there. Is that the remark is good. So I had it. So I'm going to have, all right. Are you saying there that two item A, wait, this is it here. Two item A, that's two okay. All right.
Sometimes.
It means that the adjustment I just made now is only this part. It is not working in
Mm.
the multiplication. In the multiplication now they still pick the what? The integer. I don't know if you get. Because
Yes, yes.
if you check, let me look for this. So another thing again, you have to know how to find. Let's say I'm looking for 10. Alright, how many places do you have item A in this program? Item A is in 16 places, or item is in 16 places. Let me add A to it. So this one is only in one place. But let's see, item is in what? 16 places. I have it here. So this self dot add this is where the binding is coming from. Alright.
Okay.
This is where the binding is coming from. It's binding to the number. There you can see every other thing we have there. create widgets. These are widgets for the program. I had this add item. Are you seeing it here? This is where you add item per row. Row equals to len dot items plus what, plus 2, adjust row number. So you know, if you click on this, if I click on add item, where is it? I click on add item, you can see. So you can click on it if you have multiple items to be added at once, so that you don't want to disturb yourself by adding item one after the other.
By
You
one,
can
okay.
just do it once and get that done. This is where the code is located. All right. Then the multiplication is what I'm trying to grab.
Look for. Mm.
That's updates, delete item, select item, clear item, load data. Yeah, I'd add item row. There's also add item on top there. Create a widget, create a table, inventory. Is a method. Where did they declare this method? That thing, we have the key and the value. Item
Mm.
A is a key, then you have a value. So they pick it by the key. No wonder it still works. They pick save items. Okay. Save item. Delete item from the database. Alright, so let me leave it here. Now the next thing we need to know is that, let's say you have this project now, you want to send it to your GitHub. That's where the version control comes in. You want to send this type of application to your GitHub repo, so that people will know that, oh, you've done one or two in Python. Who is this? Alright, you are still here now. I'm just seeing the message now. So can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Alright, now we want to send this particular project, this one now. Probably, I don't know if I should send it with the one we have, flights. But you can send your flight, because I have flight already on my repo. I don't want that flight to be too much on my
Anyways, you just want to
GitHub.
use this as an example to teach me
So
how to send it
yes,
to.
yes, GitHub. You see, on this particular icon, click on, so that will be on my environment. Be on your environment. Make sure you're on your page, because this presently is not on your page. This is this person's page. I have to go back to home. Alright, this is me here. Then I will now click on Data Pro. Okay. After you create your GitHub, you will now see an icon here, create repository. Are you with me? Create your repository. You click on
Okay.
settings. At the right hand side, you look for repositories. Now, by
Okay.
default, your repository should be showing main. Alright, by default.
Okay.
But you have to adjust it and turn it to what? To master. Alright.
Okay.
When you turn it to master, you can now click on what? Updates. They will update it for
Okay.
you. So why are we turning it to master? Masters. Are you getting it? It will be
Okay.
easier for you to
Yes.
use on master than on
Let's
main.
use. Okay.
So that's why I normally leave my own on what? On master. So my repository
Master.
is on master. Then let's go back home. So I'm going to click on here now. Click on new. You are going to see create repository. They will bring you here. The name of the application is Inventory Python. So they will help you adjust it. So this is what they will bring it out. Your new repository will be create. Alright, they will put hyphen for you. Is a simple Python inventory management system. This is a simple Python inventory management system. So that's my description. Now, on top of visibility, look at it. We have two options there: public and what? Private.
You didn't spell system well. You forgot T.
We have two visibility, which is private and what? Public. Let's say you are employed as a programmer in XYZ Nigeria Limited. I hope you know you are binded by their property law. Whatever code that you are writing is a company property. I don't know, your code should not be found on
Outside, yes.
public space anyhow. Okay, but
Yes.
you as a programmer, you want to always save your code for future what reference. In that case, you are binded. You cannot put your code to be on the public. Do you understand? You make it what?
Yes.
Private. But if you feel like you want to share with your family, the developer family on GitHub platform, you leave it on what? On public. Is that okay? You leave
Yes,
it
sir.
on public. The README file is not compulsory, all right? That you put a README file. Git ignore is
Mm-hmm.
not also what compulsory. Add license is not also compulsory. You just click on create what repository. So we are going to code is not here. Your file is not here yet, all right? But they gave you something like this. Now there's a software you have to install on your system called Git Bash. Possibly, if I have it on my system, I will drop it for you on the WhatsApp platform. Probably you install it later. Let me see if I have it. Git Bash.
Okay.
Yeah, I still have it here. So you have to install this software. Drop a message to that group.
Me?
Now, yeah, drop a message that just hide me on the group so that I will know. So that Git badge is like a remote control, a remote software to access GitHub. That's why you see people that are doing version control, all those what they call them, all those. There's one guy that communicated with me one time that saw my code on GitHub, and it was. And I would be like, these are people that will go and be copying people's code online and be telling you that it's their property. Sure, you understand? So that. Hello, have you dropped message on the group? Okay.
I'm still looking for it. I'm coming out.
All right.
I've dropped message.
I wanted to even send it to you direct, but let me just drop it here.
Send my own too.
I should send your own to you.
Mm.
So just go there on your WhatsApp. If you can access your WhatsApp via your system, download it, then install it. You understand?
Okay.
So when you install
Okay.
VS Code, you go back to your VS
Mm-hmm.
Code. So what you do in your VS Code is just a terminal work. So you click on this drop down that you have here. The option will come here. You can see Git Bash. You click on
Okay.
what? Git Bash. So what these guys said we should do first, they said the first thing that you should run git what? Init. Git init simply means what?
Mm-hmm.
Initialization. Git init
Organization.
simply means, if you see when I run git init, normally initially, you see that the color of my files has changed to green. It was white before. But looking at to the cloud. Then the
Cloud.
next thing
Okay.
they will tell you to do again is to run git add readme. I don't have a readme file, so
Okay.
there's no point for this. All right, so I'll just come here and
Okay.
say git
Add.
git add space dot. Sound is getting ready. So the next option they have here, they said I should now run git what commit hyphen what m. Then this first comment that you are seeing there, it can be probably my first repo, my first deploy. Are you getting it? Something like that. So we come back here, git commit hyphen what m. M is what? Message. What kind of message am I passing? My simple inventory management system. My simple inventory management system with Python. My simple if command not what found. Git wrong spelling, man. So I went to type, so git commits, I have press enter. So now they've copied all the code, all the file that I'm working on. Inventory DB, that's the DB here, the database, CSV file, README file, the inventory.py file. They've copied it, but that's not all. Now since they've copied it, now I will now send it to the GitHub straight. So you can omit this and this, no problem. This one, if you are branching, hello, let's say your repo now getting it or branch to what, to main. Since my repository is already showing master, now I don't need this, I don't need what this. All right, I'll just go to git push, then my -u, then I'll pass in the URL. So I'll come back here, git push what u, then the URL is here. This is the URL here. Okay, that's where they will link it to. Then I'll come back to my code, I'll paste it here, then space, you have to pass it because your repository now is what, is on master. You have to pass space what, master, then press what, enter. So if the process is successful, I have to my code now, this online. Let me just refresh this. You will see that it will turn and show the file. Look at it. Do you see it? The readme file that they have there, it has come here. So look at my work. Are you seeing it now?
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it.
This is
Yeah.
what I've just sent to the platform. Everything that the person that has that are you Josh has, I've now what, having it, because I send this thing with what, with a remote control system. I want to even give more suggestion. PyLint, then let me see the percentage, the language percentage. Right, it's not actually here. Publish your first word package. There you see I said this is a simple word, Python inventory management. The message I passed there. So that is what. So that's how to you can see that if I click on this, now I can download. This is my words. This is my Git word repository link. So this is actually available on the cloud. So if I send you the link, you can have access to the word, to the source code also. So now you that will do your own for the first time, that's why it is always better for you to have a system while the training is going on, because there are some technical things that you will like to do. There are some technical
Very
things.
right. Very true. Very true. Very
There are some
true.
technical things that will
Practicing it
happen
now,
here.
sir.
That will happen here. Look at this part here. And not linked to GitHub because it will require password and email address now, because this is two systems, local and production. Now I have already linked my own. That's why you notice that error did not flag in. So in case you give you guideline, copy your what, your email address, the email address you use to open your GitHub. They will ask you to put it. Then the next thing they will request again, when you press enter, they will request for your username. All right, so when you request your username, then they will know your local system. You cannot go back and run git commit, then run your what, your git push to send your file to your cloud. Please, is that understood? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, I'm here for you, sir.
All right, let me give you a project that you work on. I want you to work on this. It's for your own good though. At least it will make you maybe I will also give you IQ there. So this is your project topic. So let me show you how to find something related to this. You copy your name, project name, go to your GitHub. I'm still on the repo URL. Have you? So let's say with Python thinking time, and SQLite. So this is what you learned. Press enter. So if you see something like this, your cell did not match, it means that I need to reformat. So I have to design with Python Tickintown, the hotel management system, streamline order taking and bill calculation for efficient world hospitality. That is by Chat. Then elevate hospitality with my hotel management system project, automated bookings, seamless check-ins, and efficient word billing. More explanation about the person has a dog video. Where is the Python file, source code? Because some of them they are Django. All right. Okay, I think it's okay. SQLite.
Say are Django. Okay.
This is not Django. SQLite, Python Tickintown. So if you want to use this one, you can download it. Wait, sha. So some data don't go on person like this. So I have something like this here. So I want to drop it where I can see it. So let me drop it here. Do you get? Just like what I did here, you have to extract it. You open the main folder. Open the main folder with your VS Code. Okay, I don't understand this. Mm. Ah, how could I even be causing itself? Is it because? Alright, I think I'm better now. So you can see your files. This is the database. So that they put a audio player. What's the audio player doing there? Hotel management. I mean, probably is the advert they added to it. Let me
And
see.
it's okay. The other
And they added this is either a video, call with. We use it. So you just because you know about coding, you tweak it. All right. So the first file to run, look for the Python file. Do I have any Python file here? This is docs. This is proposer. Then I think
you check your source code.
this is the main here, the main.py. Now, if this is not on your system, it will flag error. Please take note of it. Room details. This is a module. I don't know if you are getting this. They said from
Yes,
room
the
details
module.
import
Why?
room details. Look at
Yes,
the
the
module
module.
here. So they now use it here. Then the only thing that will give me problem here is pillow. Are you saying that pillow is telling you that let me use this one? I have pillow now. So what's this problem? So if you don't have pillow installed, you just need to run pipe install pillow on your terminal or your tab. That it has been
Yes.
removed. So let me try and run it. All right. Is there any error? No module name MySQL. No module name MySQL. Why did you use MySQL? He said MySQL dot statement entirely. This one, it means
Oh,
that application should be inside a server.
okay.
It must be in a server like your XAMPP server, your WAMP server.
Ma'am,
That's where you run it. But let me see what I can do because I saw SQLite. Uh, so from this one import this no module name SQL. Let me see if I have SQL here. My SQL. So the MySQL is not existing here. Ziza is existing in all of this guy here. Look at it. This is where they used it. So to ensure. So how do I install that module? I have to run pipe install my SQL.what.connector. I always advise students, don't always use PowerShell, use command prompt. Well, that PowerShell sometimes it may misbehave.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So, but I'm not sure that thing will work. Let's say I'm using pipe install mysql.connector. So this module has to be installed. If not, this program will not work. But even at that, even if you install it and it not still work, it means that you have to put your application inside a server, because that's the only thing is installing. So once you get something like this, know that it's trying to install. Successful, this guy should get out of it. This underline should leave it. All right, I think it has been successful. Then they will have to load this thing back. Remove now. Did you plug anything? Did you plug anything? Did you plug anything?
I not plug anything.
What now happen now?
I don't know.
Hello, so sorry, I just have to attend to something. Okay, so I think I was something there. You can see the installation is. Please, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, I can. I can.
You can see that installation is complete now. Let's go back to that main and see if it will flag error again. Saying that line 4 module, no module name f what PDF.